That's it.
Wel gas Ciro, tair gol i yn erbyn y Dre Newydd i'w. Perfformiad da, ail hanner, ac i chdi'n bersonol 2 gol?
Ie, bach o sioc, a diolch yn digwydd yn on often, ond na, ni'n yn y lle iawn. Am yr un gyntaf, jyst dilyn y free kick i fewn, wedyn completely out of blue am header fi. Dwi'n mynd sgori lot o fy mhen, dwi'n mynd sgori lot, ond na, un o'r rei gorau fi, dwi'n meddwl.
Ie, nath ti'n deud, ti'n sgorio lot sef fod y ben, ond oedd i dipyn o sioc i di gwyl chdi.
Oedd yn, eisiau catch fo'n reit dda, dwi'n meddwl, ond rydyn lle oedd yn gallu fynd oedd a gorfod na, so jyst allan o'ch. Ond fel ti'n deud, y perfformiad ail hanner yn lot well. Rwy'n nath ni newid bach o sharp, o'n i chwarae bach o diamond yn y siarad gyntaf, o'n i ddim yn cael gymaint o'r bel, ac oedd ni yn gwneud lot o waith off y bel, really. So, nath nhw'n gael lot o chances hanner gyntaf, dwi'n meddwl oedd na jyst un o ddau. Lle oeddwn ni jyst i switch off, a wedyn pan oeddwn ni yn torri, oeddwn ni yn edrych yn reit berig, ond nath ni jyst y pas o'r yna, a wedyn nath ni air hanner, roedd o'n bach fwy daclus ar y pel, a nath ni fel y fwy oedd y gêm mynd ymlaen, oedd y gaps ac o'r fyny, so.
Dwi'n meddwl oedd yr gol cynnar yn yr ail hanner, hwnna nath newid y gem, de?
Dwi'n meddwl, ie, dwi'n meddwl nath o setlo ni, dwi'n meddwl nath ni, nath ni'n dechrau'r rhywdda yn yr hanner eto, bach yn slo, slopping y 5 munud gyntaf, wedyn nath y gol fatha, setlo ni gyd a oedd pawb eisiau'r bel, nath ni cadw o lot well, dwi'n meddwl, a chwarae be da ni'n da yn neud, lawr yr ochra, lawr y channels a da.
Da iawn, ac wrsos nesaf gyda ni gem fawr, be ti'n disgwyl gyn ti ynas?
Be da ni fel arfer yn disgwyl gyda nhw, dwi'n meddwl maen nhw y tîm gorau yn y gyngrair yn cadw'r pel, ond da ni wedi cyrraedd nhw yn 2 waith, ers da ni bod yn y gynnar, so da ni'n gallu neud o, a nath ni golli gem yma, dwi'n meddwl, lle nath ni, gallu bod 4 i fyny yn y hanner gyntaf, so da ni'n sylwyr yn byd i bod yn ofn amdan, a dwi'n meddwl da ni'n chwarae'n well weithio pan da ni'n chwarae against y tîm yma, TNS, pan maen nhw'n eisiau chwarae pêl-droed, Barry, dwi'n meddwl fatha coincidence pan da ni'n neud yn da against tîm yma chwarae pêl-droed, cos da ni'n neud yr fath hefyd.
A gynola, mae wedi bod yn stop-start i chdi dyn bach tymor yma, jyst oherwydd bod chdi wedi bod ar gael, ond ti wedi cael rhediad o gema wan do, a ti teimlo'n gyffyrddus yn y tîm yn ôl?
Ynddo, dwi'n efo gwaith dwi wedi bod dwi'n meddwl yn fi yn y gynnar rwy'n methu, nes i methu 4 ar y bounce, 5 ar y bounce, fel mae shifts fi'n mynd, dwi wedi cael fatha run bach, dwi wedi bwcio 1 neu 2 weekend off hefyd, yn anffodus, dwi'n meddwl dwi'n methu os nesaf efo bookings, ond dwi'n siŵr. Ond dwi'n manage fo rhywsyd a mae'n neis gael run yn y tîm.
A sy'n beth da i sgorio o laen y cofio am hynna?
O, na, o'n i'n gallu peidio jump i fewn. Nes i meddwl amdan peidio wneud ond na, a mention bach i wneud hefyd, am gyfrchiadau efo 200 appearances, mae'n ardderchog a capio fo'na efo standard free kick fo yna.
Ac assist i chdi reit?
Ie, na gael assist.
Ie?
Na fo, ie.
Gres, diolch di gas.
Iawn, diolch yn fawr.
Wel, Nathan, ti wedi chwarae'r tîm gyntaf wan, 200 o weithiau, ac oedd y sgript wedi cael ei sgwennu i chdi, ynddo?
O fi, ond o'n i'n meddwl oedd ar ôl hanner gyntaf yna. Dwi'n newid siarad efo sgorio fan'na, ac oedden ni gyd half-time, oedd pawb bron di gael ei ddeud efo be oedden nhw'n feddwl, ac oedden ni gyd yn cytuno, felly oedd rhaid i ni dangos dipyn bach mwy o bach o intensity second half yna, achos da ni'n neud o'n training, yn training bob wsos, da ni'n marogion fflio, mae bob dim efo tempo gyda ni, ond oedd hanner gyntaf heddiw, dwi'n gwybod be oedd y mater, ond oedden ni weld galla dim bach allan o sharp, ond ar ôl gael gair bach half-time, Hyw mynd dros y sharp ar y tactic bod iddyn ni, nath ni dechrau gael i wedyn, a wedyn second half, mae'r gol fian oedd wedi gael yn ôl, mae di helpu ni ddod fewn i'r gêm.
Mae hyn dipyn o bwcus, mae'n un ffordd, da ni'n cael llawer o Russell Stan erbyn nhw. A dyn nath y gol gyntaf, gath nhw gol gyntaf, dim bach lwcus yn y bocs, cysio yn y bocs, a bach chi. Oeddech chdi yn teimlo, hwn oedd os neis yno ta?
Oedd, 100%. Fi'n cerdded down half-time oedden ni yn, achos o un cyfle, da ni wedi rili agor nhw fyny lle mae Brads wedi mynd drwy'r gol, a maen nhw wedi clirio off y lein.
A gath Darren dim ôl shot y byd o, just o'r spar do.
Do, gath o'n chance arall, ond ia, efo ffordd ath y hanner gyntaf na, chod ni'n teimlo, dim wedi fod yn un o noson arall lle, da ni methu gael win. Dwi'n meddwl o'n wedi darllen ar Twitter heddiw, win gyntaf ni ys 9 gêm yn y gyngrair, felly mae hynna'n mynd ar reit positif hefyd, ac da ni wedi colli gêm yn y 3 gêm dwytha yn bob competitions o'n, felly da ni chwarae TNS wrth nesaf, lot o cyrff yn missing eto, ond da ni wedi cyrra'n erbyn nhw o blaen, fe gan ni game plan yn mynd yn erbyn nhw, a mae'r hogiau gyd llawn hyder, ond da ni trio gorau i gael rhywbeth allan o'r gêm.
Ac am ail hanner hi wrth, da ni chwarae dda, beth ti'n meddwl y gwahaniaeth? Rhwng y first a second half?
Dwi'n meddwl jyst gael un o ddau o gair yn ystod y half-time na. Oedden ni'n gorfod y well efo'r bel, heb y bel, just y decision making ni. A wedyn pan oedden ni ddechrau chwarae second half, chwarae ffwtbol, cos da ni'n tîm ffwtbol da, ond weithiau da ni'n jyst ddim yn edo, dwi'n gwybod beidio, ond hefyd weithiau mae'n cymryd ni un gol mynd lawr iddyn ni gael cicio mlaen wedyn. So, ia, dwi'n meddwl oedd y gol fi yn y second half, nes i teimlo oedd penna nhw i gyd i dechrau, oedd y body language nhw wedi dechrau dropio. So oedden ni sylwi hwnna, ti'n gwybod beth, sgon ni gol arall reit fi am fydd hi'n gêm drosodd. Ac pan nath efo mynd am y hydar yna, oedd y lle jyst eruptio. Oedd y fans yn canu, oedd y fans yn ôl, o'ch chi'n gwybod wedyn, oedd hi'n mynd i fod un ffordd am ond ni'n gyrra'r gêm.
Ac i chdi'n bersonol, dwi'n gwybod y tîm sydd o gyntaf chdi bod tro, ti'n dweud hynna wrth i bod tro, da ni siarad am perfformiadau gwell. I chdi bersonol, gêm mawr i chdi, ys ti gyrraedd allan efo Mabon a Cian, ia. A wedyn captain yn ôl hynno, a chysur ffantastig i chdi, a ti di capio off efo gol do. Be di ti'n myda chdi, oedd hwnna'n perfect match? Oedd o 200th match?
Oedd o fi, os chdi sbio yn ôl ar y social media, ti'n gweld 3-1 Caernarfon, yn involved yn un o'r goliau efo y keeper di safio, dyn efo di ffoli fewn, a dyn fi di sgorio'r trydydd na. Ond first half, oedden ni pawb way off, ond o'r second half ac y result yn diwedd, oedd hi'n perffaith, a gael cerdded allan efo mab fi a nephew bach fi, oedd hi'n just i topio off i noson really special i fi.
Dwi'n rhaid rhywbeth allan mor un eithaf am bod chdi wedi chwarae gymaint sy'n illi. Mae'n quote gyn Sean Udley yma. A be mae Sean dweud, here's to the next 200. Be ti fel?
300, ia.
300?
Next 300.
Gres, diolch i chdi, a gwelwch ydych chdi yna.
Diolch i Paul.
Diolch. Hey Sean.
Paul.
Tough first half tonight.
Yeah.
Much better second half.
Yeah, in one, Paul. Really, to be fair, it was a good game. I think it was a good game for the neutral there tonight. Newtown are a well-drilled side. Good football inside like as well, and chances were very minimal in the first half. We've obviously had maybe the better one with Sean Bradley coming through. Obviously, they've had one cleared off the line, and then I think, to be fair, there was a little bit of a scramble for their goal, but I think it was George Harry. I think just through instinct, has just hit it hard and low. He's managed to get in, under Rambo's body. But we got in at half time. We had a couple of words, with a few individuals, and second half, I thought we were brilliant. I thought everything from intensity to some of the football we played to taking on the information from the management team and executing it was brilliant. And I made that for Gaz Evans. I made that for Nathan Craig as well, because I think at the start of the night it was probably written in the stars that would happen. But yeah, I made that for Nate because he'll probably be the first to admit it's maybe been a little bit frustrating the last couple of weeks. But led us tonight. Back to the old Nate, to be honest. And yeah, it's a good victory and a good 3 points.
Gaz tonight was the man of the match. Man of the match. I know he's missed. I've asked this question of him as well. He's had a bit of a stop-start season because of being unavailable. He's had a run of games now. It makes a difference, doesn't it? And to the team as well, doesn't it?
I think so. He's my best pal, so I can't be. I can't be feeding.
I didn't know that.
I can't be feeding him too many compliments. But no, I mean, jokes aside. Me and Gaz moved to Caernarfon town at the same time, and when he crosses that white line, it becomes like a manager and a player type relationship. But I made up for him, and it's funny enough, I was actually having a chat with the management there about it. You know, the lad's played, you know, Conference Football, Conference North, and, you know, we've got to remember that he's played at a very, very high level. We look at like a Gaz Edwards, we look at a Krause and a Joe Williams for experience, but we maybe sort of overlook Evo, to be honest, you know, where he maybe doesn't go out and shout the odds and get people organised. His performances, Paul, to be fair, you know, have been unbelievable. And like you said, he's got a run of games now, despite results not going our way, you know, in some of the games. What he gives the team is energy, you know, experience, graft, honesty, I think, more than anything. And I'm made up, you know, we just said off camera there, we looked at second phases from corners, you know, and set pieces, and we followed in there really well. It's a great header to come off that big nose of his, I think, like, to be fair. But
he said it came off his temple.
Of his temple, no, yeah. Definitely his nose. If you look at the size of his nose, it's definitely come off that. But it's a great run, it's a great cross, it's a great header as well, because I think if he puts it anywhere else, I think Dave Jones saves it. And then just all-round performance, like energy, I'm absolutely made up for him. And then, you know, Nathan finishes it off with a fantastic free kick. And, you know, like I said, it was a vital 3 points, because we needed we needed a win at home in the league, where, you know, that hasn't happened for a while. And we needed our first win in the second phase, and yeah, that's a really good second half performance. I thought first half we were okay, just needed to be a little bit better, but second half, yeah, I thought we were brilliant and probably deserved the win.
We've spoken before about momentum in matches, and we lost some momentum over the Christmas period, you know. But we seem to have gained it. I don't want to say we have gained it, but it does seem as if we've gained it. The last 3 matches have been good results. Barry, points at Barry, last week's win, quarter-finals of the Welsh Cup, and tonight. Do you feel that we're gaining momentum again?
Yes, I do. You know, it doesn't get any tougher than TNS next week. You know, I've just seen there that Barry have equalised like in the last minute, so they're going to be desperate for a win next week. So it was vital that we got something tonight. You know, obviously we went out and got the 3 points. You know, and it was a good performance. So yes, going into TNS, yes, we do have momentum. But I think about when we went down to Penybont, Paul, on I think the 4th of January, and I think we had about 7 or 8 first team players unavailable, and I've never wanted to use it as an excuse, but if you're looking at the personnel that were missing that day, it's massive for us. You know, players playing out of position, players injured, players suspended. You know, we obviously lost Leo just before New Year's as well, a 3-game ban, and Leo's been terrific for us this year. So a number of factors, you know, like I said, we didn't want to use it as an excuse, but it does play a part, unfortunately, and not just us, you know, other teams in the league have had exactly the same, but the attitude and the application of all the first team players week in and week out in training is absolutely first class. You know, we're limited to the one session. You know, we're not the only team that has the one session, but they take on the information, that their application to training is fantastic. You know, I get a little bit of banter about you know, how much I go on like in team meetings, but I you know, it's the way I am, Paul, really. I don't want any stone left unturned, and you know, they will get that information. And you know, we've chopped and changed the formation a little bit. You know, we've gone with the 2 up top recently, and I think it's worked. Okay, some of the results may not have gone our way, but you know, if you look at it, you know, but Bala, if they travel away, will be tough opponents for anyone. Going to Connors Quay is a tough game for anyone. Do you know what I mean? So, but you know, we want them games. You know, we want to be competing in the top 6, and no matter what 11 I put out, you know, they'll run the socks off for Carnarvon Town, and yeah, certainly the identity that we've developed. Yeah, so I'm made up with the players. Yeah, definitely.
Ac yn olaf, da ni'n mynd i gael hyn i hir iawn, de. Mae'r cell yn y ddeg i'r tîm.
Allan y ddeg, hanner cynta, dipyn bach o siomedig, ond you know, mae y chwaraewyr yn gweithio yn galad. So 6 neu 7, ond yn yr ail hanner, ar ôl siarad efo'r fechgyn, 8 neu 9. A yeah, Gaz Evans said in the game, dwi ddim yn gwybod, ond yeah, dwi'n hapus efo and I'll finish in English with Nathan. You know, like I said in my notes when I spoke to you in the week, he's been an unbelievable servant to the club, and I think I seen his sister right at the end of the game, and I said that was written in the stars for him, like, to be fair. So what a night for the Craig family. So yeah, I made up there. made up with the 3 points, and like you said, we go into the weekend. Hopefully Liverpool can get a good result tomorrow morning. That'll be a good weekend.
Yeah, gres. Diolch Sean.
Diolch, dim problem.
Esto no sé si